Can you also share with us like some tips on manifestation?
One of my favorite quotes comes from the book Conversations with God. And in that book, there was a quote, and I remember reading it probably 7, 8 years ago, and it just floored me, and I still use it to this day. It said, you cannot have what you want, but you may experience what you have. And I remember my mind and my whole just world just going like, what? I can't have what I want, but I may experience what I have. This was a window, a door into understanding that everything is frequency. You know, I've had many opportunities and moments in my life where I've seen sacred geometry and seen like the background that you're actually doing this video on. I've seen that in everything, right? And Fibonacci sequence and all of these things. And the question that we as spiritual beings having a human experience is how do we implement that on a day-to-day basis? How do we bring that to the coffee shop? Where do we bring that to doing laundry, washing the dishes? Where does that show up in, you know, because a lot of us think that manifestation is just, oh, I say affirmations and I say I want this thing and then it appears. It is that simple, and it isn't. Because a lot of times once we declare something like that, a good majority of us then go into doubt, lack and limitation, not enoughness, believing that it won't happen, believing that we're not worthy, being so anxious about getting it right now that energetically our frequency lowers and we are not an energetic match for the thing that we say we want. So I remind us all that you may not have what you want, but you may experience what you have. So if you are dropping into your own vibration, if you are operating from an attitude of gratitude and understanding that it's not the happy people that are grateful, it is the grateful people that are happy, because happiness cannot be traveled to, owned, earned, worn, or consumed. It is a vibration. It is a beingness. It is an ownership of the sacred miracle that is this life and all that is, including the stuff that we label bad. It's in the profane and in the profound. All of it for me is God. And every time I allow myself to have that experience, I become the frequency, the energetic frequency for abundance.
Absolutely.